Hello everyone, today we are learning how to edit a photo in Adobe Lightroom. You also know Adobe Lightroom is a color correction, noise clearation and many other things you can do in Adobe Lightroom Photoshop, but at the moment we are trying to doing any image color correction, any image clearation. Okay, you can change any image color, you can clear any image that's so blur or noiseable. You can do it Adobe Lightroom. Okay, at the first moment we need to have a Adobe Lightroom software in our computer, laptop or mobile phone. Okay, Adobe Lightroom software also available Windows, Mac, Android and any OS device. Okay, most popular device is Windows. At the first moment I am learning with Windows version and I will teach you at this moment with Windows. Okay, let's get started by editing a simple photo. Okay, we're starting our photo editing. You can see they are telling us add a photo, but at this moment we don't use our personal photo. We also edit Adobe Lightroom learning section photo. Okay, you can see here many photo. You can see here many photo. So beautiful photo here. All type of photo you can find here. That's you want. At the first section, we're trying to edit our beginner option, beginner's photo. Which can you learn with beginner photo editing? Okay. You can browse here for photo editing. Then first topic is learning topic. Then you can learning with how to use Adobe Lightroom tools. Then subject matter. Okay, you can learn also there's thing here and here. Okay, at the first moment we are trying to edit this image. Okay, you can see here 3 dog. Okay, you can see here 3 dogs. We'll try to edit this image. Okay, let's say start. Here is many things, cute dog, cats and many other image you can see here. So at this moment we are don't try to edit any other image. We are editing that image any other time, but at the first moment we're editing our dog image. Okay, I love dog. You can see here editing this image. Okay, simplifying color palette. Okay, first need to select our image. We select this image, then click here. You can add your photo. This section you can see add photos. Okay, at the moment we are editing our Adobe Lightroom storage photo. Okay, you can see the main image is this is a main image. You can see this is a main image, and you can see after editing this image, you can see what's different between this image or this image. Okay, first at the first looking you can see the color, this image color and this image color. You can see here color is not proper. That's look like a real dog. Okay, but okay, you can see many other things. You can see the real image is cute, but that when you edit this image, it's look like a pretty, That's the original image. Okay, at the moment we are trying to edit this image, simply simplifying a color pattern. At this moment, natural color does not always combine well with curtain code types. In the case, narrowing the range of color will greatly improve the image. Join me in the improving the image with multiple gradient and the color mixer. Okay, we'll try to edit image. You can see we are editing three best or most feature. Okay, three core feature. First we work with color mixing, then second we'll working with gradients, third we're editing with light. Okay, let's go start tutorial. Okay, you can see our main image. We zooming this image and trying to edit this. Okay, we'll start the cropping this image. I feel there's a too much negative space on the right side of the frame. Okay, you can see the negative space. Okay, that's not cool. Okay, we're trying to edit. Let's continue it. Then crop tool select, and you can see here to here. Okay, we crop this image. Then we're going to edit. Return to edit option. First, we're editing our light option. Then continue it. Continue it. First, we expose our minus. Light is exposed. Then contrast plus it 10. Then whiteness plus 20. And the second option, we change the color. You can see with plus 10. 20 tint, then continue it. We're going to select masking, radial gradient, drawing to here. Okay, you can see. Okay, at this moment we'll plus it, shadows plus it, witness plus it, then continue it, plus again, radial gradient. The second layer, you can see I can do this. Then expose it plus whiteness plus 65, then continue it, then again create a new box, that's liner gradient. We need to zoom it out, then here to here. Okay, that's it. Then expose it minus, highlight it minus, then continue it, create new radial gradient here to here. See, okay, that's it. That minus whiteness, and continue it, create radial gradient, then here to here. Okay, that's it. You need to minus situation, then continue it, and create radial gradient layer to here to here. version, continue it, continue, and the color mixer, the green color, session minus it, the yellow color, session minus 30, huge, minus 75, and continue it. You can see how it is going to be so pretty cool. If you are enjoying this video editing, if you are enjoying this photo editing, if you really like this cute dog and my edit, okay, please subscribe our channel, like, comment and share with your friend, and stay with us. Thank you so much for seeing our full video, and comment your experience, please. Thank you so much. See you again in our next video.